Your home is heating up, and it will only get worse. The electric bill for the air conditioning is going to be through the roof. Additionally, running traditional air conditioning can be expensive and harmful to your health. AC units use a lot of energy and can actually make your home less healthy by circulating dust, pollen, and other allergens in your home. Here's why a whole house fan is worth the investment. With the insane airflow and an adequately sized whole house fan that can bring into your home, you can say goodbye to cooking odor, pet dander, smoke, germs, gases, and other unwanted airborne annoyances. Experience a more cool and comfortable home today. For just pennies a day, you can replace the air in your home and enjoy healthier air quality. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button on this video right now to get your free in-home estimate.